And we're live with Chad for his morning glow-up. Oh, low battery alert. Plug that baby in and pick out some sick drip. Oh, don't forget nibbles. Boom! 1 day's power in 15 minutes. Now strap in for face-melting boredom. This lady's voice could stun a rhinoceros. Can Chad survive? Amazing! Chad's juked the professor and stomping noobs on that big display with an assist from the speedy chipset. There's Chad's flashy bay. Good thing he's prepared, because she loves talking about her classy threads.
¿Qué le pasa por la cabeza a ese hombre?
Pero vos no me digas. Sí, quiero más, dale, dale.
Ay, sí, me encanta.
Holy cow! He went full Giga Chad on those shots. And now Chad's battling the evil spectre of loud public transportation. Whoa! Just call him Quick Trigger Chad, and he's on the phone and swiping with blazing speed, stacking likes like a boss. Oh man, he's done a bang-up job.
A little more than you'd expect.